Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky. In the next 45 seconds, I'm going to show you how I made a little bit over $1,200 profit day trading. I want to talk about why I decided to enter my position on DGAS that led to my successful trade. So one of the things that I want to make sure that you guys understand is that when natural gas pushes up, DGAS pushes down and vice versa, right? So I'm going to finish setting my limit order. Let's go ahead and go on over to natural gas. I want you to pay attention that after natural gas hit highs of 2.73, it began to make lower highs and lower lows. So as natural gas became overbought and no longer a good deal, I bought the dip on DGAS and began to ride that as it began to uptrend. A question you might have is, how did I know where to buy and sell? So as you see, it followed this pattern where I could buy the dips, sell the peaks, buy the dips, sell the peaks, and buy the dips and sell the peaks. The MACD indicator is also a great indicator that gives you a better understanding of when something is overbought and oversold. So how did I know that natural gas was going to pull back? Well, all I knew was that natural gas was overbought and no longer a good deal. And based off previous patterns, this gave me the assumption that I can buy the dip on DGAS and actually sell it for a profit as natural gas made lower lows and lower highs. Altogether, there's three main focuses I have when it comes down to trading: patterns, directions, and overall opportunity cost. Making sure that I'm getting it for a good deal to sell it for a profit. There you go, team. Just sold at 102.99 for a total profit on the day of $1,269 profit. And there you go, team. It's all about feeling comfortable with your trade. And that's exactly what our goal is within Learn Plan Profit, to find your unique style of trading. If you have any questions and want to schedule a call, learn more about our Learn Plan Profit team and what it's like to be able to watch me trade live every single day, click the link below. Boom.